Jessica has 8 pieces of yarn. So she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces. Each piece is 6 centimeters long. She put them all together. What's the total length of her yarn? Okay, I see a lot of tape diagrams. I see a couple number bonds. Can you please also add your multiplication sentence with your unknown letter, and what does your unknown letter equal? All right, Abby, can you explain, what did you do with yours?
I did a tape diagram with eight boxes for each piece of yarn and a 6 in it for each centimeter that it was.
Okay, so you have 8 pieces, so each...
Wait, I messed up.
Okay.
Q equals 48.
Okay, so you did your tape diagram, and each box has 6 in it because each piece of yarn is 6 centimeters long, and you have 8 boxes because there were
8 pieces of yarn.
8 pieces of yarn, so she's got 8 times 6 equals
Q,
and
Q is 48.
Q would equal 48.
I messed up on that and I accidentally added a 7.
Okay. How did you realize just now that you...
It's because I forgot. I was looking at the boxes, not how much was in one piece, but in 8 pieces it's 48 centimeters.
And so how can we figure out, though, this is 48? Are we going to...
I counted by 6. Yeah, me too.
Counting by 6s. Can you show me the green signal if you also counted by 6s?
Well, I counted. Actually,
Okay.
I
saw Oliver in the back. You used what? What did you do?
I did the blow.
You split it apart, and you did a, what two facts did you do?
6 times 5 and 6 times 3.
6 times 5 was what?
6 times 5 was 30. 6 times 3 was 18.
And then did you add?
I added 30 plus 18 and it equals 48.
Excellent. Anybody else use that same strategy? Okay, great job, friends. Please erase your boards in 3.